don't it feel so good to give back? Helping your fellow man is where it's at. So if you wanna be the bee's knees, why don't you help a friend in need?
I follow my passion by showing the United Way of Story County in action.
I follow my passion to make a difference for women and their families.
I follow my passion to make Ames the healthiest community in Iowa.
I follow my passion because I care about the future of all our kids.
I follow my passion to serve people with disabilities in Central Iowa.
We follow our passion by inspiring other young philanthropists in Story County.
I follow my passion because United Way changes lives.
I follow my passion so every kid can have a chance.
I follow my passion to help hospice patients and their families through difficult times.
My passion is to ensure that educational opportunities and achievement are experienced by all, especially current and future Iowa State students.
I follow my passion to help individuals and families achieve self-sufficiency.
I follow my passion and support United Way because they make a difference in the lives of many people throughout Story County.
I follow my passion to provide student opportunity.
I follow my passion because community involvement is important to and good for the business community.
I follow my passion to provide support and education for people affected by mental illness.
I follow my passion to make positive change happen.
I follow my passion by advocating for fostering out-of-home youth.
I follow my passion to support reading and education because I know it is important for a healthy community.
I follow my passion to help improve the lives of local children.
I follow my passion by helping children discover their gifts and reach their potential.
I follow my passion to use my time and energy wherever and whenever I can to make Story County a better place to live.
I follow my passion to support healthy development in children and healthy families by working in the child care room at People Place.
I follow my passion to ensure children and families are safe and healthy.
I follow my passion to inspire others to join with the work of United Way of Story County.
I follow my passion by helping children excel in reading and socially.
I follow my passion to share the story of United Way of Story County.
I follow my passion to help others in need.
I follow my passion to ensure families and individuals are healthy and safe.
I follow my passion to help United Way of Story County help others. For me, it's a slam dunk.
Hi, I'm John Kinley, your 2014 Live United Campaign Chair. Throughout my involvement with the United Way of Story County over the years, I have come to understand the significant impact your support of the United Way through the annual campaign and the endowment has made upon the lives of so many of our Story County neighbors. United Way of Story County advances the common good by focusing on what needs to be done in the areas of education, income, and health, the key building blocks for a good life. We recruit people and organizations who bring passion, expertise, and resources needed to create long-lasting solutions. We invite you to follow your passion and be a part of the change. You can give, you can advocate, and you can volunteer. That's what it means to live united.
I invite you to join us and follow your passion.
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 With your help, we're on the road to a stronger Story County. So if you wanna be the bee's knees, why don't you help a friend in need? Now don't it feel so good to give back? Helping your fellow man is where it's at. So if you wanna be the bee's knees, why don't you help a friend in need?